if we talk about fungal spores, it produced in fruiting body. So basically the shape where spores are produced, it is that particular part of the body is called fruiting body, where all the spores are formed. That is oospores, ascospores or basidiospores. Now if we talk about the sexual cycle, there are 3 steps in the sexual reproduction in fungus. First one is plasmogamy, second is karyogamy, third is meiosis in zygote. First, second, third. Now plasmogamy. Plasmogamy is basically fusion of protoplasm between 2 motile or non-motile gametes. When the gametes are there, might be motile, that is able to move, might be non-motile, that is not able to move. Those 2 gametes, protoplasms fusion takes place in plasmogamy. Fusion of protoplasm. Okay, first step. Second step, karyogamy, that is fusion of nuclei. Nucleus of the 2 gametes fusion takes place, that is karyogamy. Karyo term related with nucleus. Then meiosis in zygote. Once the karyogamy takes place and there is zygote formation after the fusion of gametes takes place, then that zygotes further divide meiotically and haploid spores are formed. That means chromosome numbers becomes half in the third step, that is haploid spores. So in that way there are 3 steps in the sexual reproduction cycle of fungi. So sexual cycle we discussed. Then after that, after the sexual mean of reproduction, basically 2 haploid hyphae which are similar kind, which are compatible to each other, fuses with each other, and then after that fusion mostly diploid cells formed. After the fusion of 2 haploid fungal hyphae, diploid cells are formed. But in some situation, diploid cells are not formed, but a cell is formed in which the 2 nucleus are separate from each other. That condition is called dikaryon, and the condition is that phase is called dikaryiophage in the fungus. So all this kind of mode of reproduction takes place in fungi, and different steps take place in fungi. Basically if we talk about the fruiting body in the fungi, then in the fruiting body there is reduction division takes place that lead to haploid formation. So फंगी जब हम स्टडी करते हैं तो उसकी माइसेलियम के बेसिस पे टाइप्स हो जाते हैं, स्पोर फॉर्मेशन के बेसिस पे हो जाते हैं, फ्रूटिंग बॉडी के बेसिस पे हो जाते हैं, और फ्रूटिंग बॉडी से फिर फर्दर these are the basis for division of this kingdom into various classes. So क्या क्या हो गया इसके different classes के लिए, fruiting body कैसी है, mycelium कैसा है, and spore formation किस तरीके का है, इस तरह से. So now in next class we will study about different classes of fungi. Thank you.